What if one AI could write your emails, create videos, analyze thousands of pages of code, and chat with you like a friend, all at the same time? That's Google Gemini, and it's reshaping how we interact with technology. Google announced Gemini on December 6, 2023, and by February 2024, it had replaced their chatbot Bard. Since then, it's been updated constantly with new versions: 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, and now Gemini 3. Today, Gemini has 650 million monthly active users and over 1.35 billion total visits. It's become one of the most used AI assistants on the planet, competing directly with ChatGPT and Claude. But what makes Gemini special isn't just its popularity, it's what it can actually do. Let's break down how this multimodal AI works and why it's different from everything else. Most AI models are trained separately on text, images, or audio, but Gemini is natively multimodal. That means it was trained from the start to understand text, images, video, audio, and code, all in one unified model. At its core, Gemini uses the transformer architecture, a neural network design Google invented in 2017. Transformers process information in parallel, analyzing the entire context of an input all at once rather than word by word. The key innovation is the attention mechanism. Imagine reading a sentence, your brain doesn't treat every word equally. You focus on the most important words. That's what attention does for Gemini. Larger models like Gemini 1.5 Pro use a mixture of experts architecture. Instead of one giant brain, think of it as a team of specialists. Each expert handles a specific type of data or task. When you ask a question, Gemini activates only the relevant experts. This makes it more efficient and allows the model to scale up without becoming slow or bloated. Smarter, not just bigger. Gemini 1.5 Pro introduced something mind-blowing: a context window of up to 2 million tokens. That's roughly an hour of video, 11 hours of audio, 30,000 lines of code, or 700,000 words, all at once. Most AI models forget what you said just a few messages ago. Gemini can hold an entire novel, a full codebase, or hours of video in its working memory. That's like comparing a sticky note to a library. The latest version, Gemini 3 Pro, launched in November 2025. It outperformed major competitors in 19 out of 20 benchmarks, including surpassing GPT 5.1 in advanced reasoning tests. The AI race just got faster. Gemini 3 also scored 91.9% on GPQA Diamond, a test of advanced scientific questions, and 31.1% on abstract visual reasoning challenges. These are problems that stump most humans, let alone AI. Training happens on massive datasets: web documents, books, code repositories, images, videos, audio recordings. Gemini learns patterns, associations, and relationships across all these formats. It's like learning multiple languages at once. When you interact with Gemini, you're not just talking to a chatbot, you're tapping into an entire ecosystem integrated with Gmail, Google Calendar, Maps, YouTube, Photos, Drive, and Docs. It knows your digital world. Imagine this: you're drowning in 200 unread emails. You ask Gemini to summarize the most important threads, draft replies, and update your calendar with meetings. Done in seconds, no switching between apps. Or say you're a developer debugging 30,000 lines of code. Gemini can analyze the entire codebase, spot the bug, suggest fixes, and even explain what went wrong, all while you grab coffee. Gemini can also generate images and videos. Type a description, and it creates an 8-second video using its VO model. Need an image edited? It can paint new elements into existing photos conversationally. Students use Gemini to summarize lectures, generate study guides, and ask follow-up questions about complex topics. It's like having a patient tutor available 24/7 who never gets tired of explaining. Businesses use Gemini Enterprise to analyze customer support calls, transcribe conversations, identify patterns, and improve service quality. It turns hours of recordings into actionable insights in minutes. On mobile, Gemini Live lets you have natural voice conversations. Ask about what's on your screen, get directions, control your phone hands-free, or discuss ideas out loud. It's like talking to a knowledgeable friend. Google Photos users can ask Gemini to find specific moments. Show me photos of my dog from last summer. And it understands context, not just keywords. It's semantic search on steroids. Developers can access Gemini through APIs in Google AI Studio or Vertex AI. They control parameters like temperature to adjust creativity, max tokens to set response length, and thinking level to tune reasoning depth. Even Google Search now uses Gemini to generate AI overview. Those helpful summaries at the top of search results. You've probably already been using Gemini without realizing it. Google Gemini isn't just another chatbot, it's a multimodal intelligence woven into the tools you already use every day. As it continues evolving, the line between asking a question and living in an AI-powered world gets thinner. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.